In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain on HostGator. If you ever need to update or replace a domain, HostGator makes the process simple. Let's walk through each step together. First, open your browser and type in hostgator.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner and click on the sign in button. You'll be prompted to enter your username or email along with your password. Then, click Login to access your HostGator dashboard. Once inside, you'll see the HostGator home with various options to manage your account. Here, look for the section labeled Domains and click it. Inside the Domain section, you'll see a list of domains you own and the tools to manage them. Take a moment to get familiar with this layout. It's simple but powerful. Now, locate the option called Custom Name Servers. This is key when changing your domain settings. Click on it to open the customization page. You'll see a prompt asking for your new name server information. Carefully type in the details provided by your hosting provider. Double check each entry to avoid misconfigurations. Once you've entered everything correctly, apply the updates. This finalizes the change and directs your domain to the new servers. And that's it. You've successfully changed your domain on HostGator. Keep in mind, it may take some time for the changes to propagate across the internet. With these steps, you can confidently manage your domain settings. Thanks for watching, and if you need help, HostGator support is always there to assist.